Session 23 of Managerial Communication of second semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about the emergence of modern communication technology. It is well known that the new generation of customers is tech savvy, spending their much time on smartphones. If a business organization intends to engage with this generation, it has to adopt all the means to make maximum utilization of these mobile-oriented techniques. An effective infrastructure of business communication is capable of harnessing all these avenues and spread the message about their products and services. In fact, in these times, emails, intranets, etc. have become outdated. In its place, new software solutions have been developed which make it possible for the companies to appraise the potential customers about the latest consumer goods and services. Business communication, in particular, has seen some of the greatest advancements due to technological developments. Some of these technologies and their utilization in business communication are the following. Smartphones and apps. The development of smartphones has altogether revolutionized business communication. Many companies and even the retail stores have developed their own apps which can be downloaded on the smartphones, and the customers can interact with the concerned companies or retail stores directly, search for their required items and place order. The companies or retail stores can also send the information about their new products or services and offers to the customers directly. Some companies and retail outlets use their own apps. For example, Amazon has become a household name and its mobile app has a great deal to do with the status it has established. Chatbots. This device is able to communicate with the customer during his or her browsing the website of the company. It can deal with thousands of complaints and queries at a time and come up with intelligent answers. They are much more efficient and are more tenacious than humans. Artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence based assistants such as Alexa, Siri, etc. is the new age business communication technology. It is expected that in the coming years, artificial intelligence communication may replace up to 50% of human communication jobs worldwide. It is fast, reliable, and can leverage user behavior. Interestingly, artificial intelligence is capable of mapping the brain of a user, utilizing the stored patterns and giving a better user interface. Blockchains. It is like artificial intelligence and stores all the data of the communications and transactions, business to consumers, etc., in a single database. This way, digital business information is merely distributed, communicated, rather than being copied. Augmented reality and virtual reality technologies. The application of these technologies has been recently extended to business communication. With the use of these techniques, augmented reality and virtual reality tours of the potential customers can be conducted for the businesses. IoT or Internet of Things technology. It is based on the concept that all the digital devices, iPads, smartphones, etc., can be interconnected with the help of Internet using mediums such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, WiMAX, and so on. This helps business enterprises communicate worldwide with their own employees or partners, firms, and customers. Li-Fi technology. It is a recent technology that uses light-emitting diodes (LEDs) for transmitting signals. It is anticipated that with Li-Fi, it will be easier to have fast internet connectivity, which will change the way businesses communicate. Furthermore, Li-Fi is also eco-friendly as it uses visible light from LEDs. It is labeled as a green technology. Now, virtual or online conferences, often known as webinars, have become common to interact with the employees and the outside world. New platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, etc., have been made available to the individuals and the organizations. References: